Oh man. Hold on, man. Where my boy Blue at?
Come on, defense, get in there!
Nothing. All good. All good.
Extra press that line.
Come on, defense!
Stay on your players. You about ready, man? Yeah. You was left side?
Why you put this shit on, bro?
Oh, that bitch broke, huh? Oh, shit. Maddie, what the extra pair of cleats you had? Flags. Ones of mine I had the ball last week.
Let's go, defense!
Let him run.
A pair of them. Boom.
Get him, Coots!
You could have picked them, bitch.
Oh, yeah, he could have. He'd have looked where the ball
He
was.
know where he was.
Coots! Use that speed, man. Get around him.
Let's go, Yaga.
Get in there, Cody. Get in there, Cody.
If I was a little bit taller, if I was a baller.
No reason. No reason. That's you, Scooty. That's you, Steven.
Hey, Cody.
Yeah, have Cody stay back. So Danny and them can run around him like Cody just stay on that boy. Come on, defense! Get in there, Zerf!
Watch the ball.
Like this. You see that shit?
Come on, Garner!
Hey, Chris. Let him know that's first down.
Hey, that's first right here.
Nothing behind you.
Hey, watch the snap count.
Hey, watch the guy leaking, guys!
We're telling like 30
Watch
things to
everybody,
watch. Yeah. Watch everything. Watch the center. You hit anything to move.
Good line.
Yeah, he looks right here.
Ball, Brad! That's the way to get it out. That's the way to get it out, baby. Get in there. Way to pull that flag, baby.
Damn, we got burnt.
Get in there, guys. You're good. You're good. Aaron, just make up for it, baby. That's all you got to do. Get a pick, baby. That's all right. That's all right. You're good. You're good. You got it. You got it. Let's go, offense! Come on, offense!
Anytime you want, you should switch up
You're calling at him, right? Exactly.
Back up, D. Back up.
Hey!
Chop him.
Good line.
Go, baby. There you go. There you go.
man.
Keep going. Cut out. Let's go.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Keep it going.
Y'all got me down here working today. Got me working the leg today.
I'm surprised they didn't tell you to tuck your hoodie in the first place. Playing soccer or something. Let's go! I was just surprised they didn't say nothing to you. Yeah, I know. They said something to Gun the first time. They thought they had his out. He couldn't have his hood on. Oh, he did it. I had to go. All right. Yeah, I was going to say. Well, I seen that too. I'm like, all right, they didn't say that.
You're going in on defense, obviously. You do. Cramp.
Oh, Hammy. Oh, Hammy. I told you that boy 80 years old trapped in 30-year-old body. No. Get it together, Gun. Walk that shit off, bro.
Pay attention to the
Good line.
game. We're off course.
Right here.
Go, go! Go! Let's go! Let's go, like you said, let's go!
We can hit on defense.
Yeah, that's all.
We can hit on defense too, homie. We ain't scared to hit on D neither, homie.
Hey, where's my case?
Where's little Nick?
No, keep him chill, bro.
Hey, keep them cool, yeah, because they're going to be looking for it. Keep it cool. We're going to bust them up. We're going to bust them up.
Nick, get up there.
Hey, look who came down, Mr. Overdog.
Pull a flag.
Brandon, talk about I ain't shit on Facebook. I Xbox Live, Brandon.
Matty, back up. Zeus, back up.
Back up, Zeus.
Hey, the defense line is swallowed dirt. Patty. Oh. There he is. Good block, Jacob. Good block. There he is. Woo! Hey. The 20's that corner.
Good job, teammates. Yeah.
Let's go, all. Hey, let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. We can do this.
Somebody didn't have a flag on, guys.
A lot of flags off there, though. They must have fell off because we're all up here. We didn't have flags.
It's all right. Bring that back.
It's cool.
He's a lineman. He really don't gotta pay. He'll learn to pay attention to it.
What's good, my pizza making motherfucker? That shit was good, man. Good looking. Your boy Yoder just bust out on us. Gonna ask me up there, you coming to practice? You coming to games?
Serious.
Yep.
Go, baby. Just go. Just go. Oh, good ball.
It's all right, though.
Second down, y'all. Come on.
Come on, offense! Come on, John, turn up on him. Not blocking that right side. Hey man, tell them to spread them boys out, man, so we can move the ball.
All day.
Oh!